Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Salmon Wellington, which is made of pastry sheet and the stuffing is salmon and spinach, as you can see here. It's a very healthy meal recipe that you can try, and it's very quick and easy recipe. So alright, so let's check out the ingredients for this salmon recipe. I have one bunch of spinach, washed and strained. This is Parmesan cheese, about 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of plain breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, this is crushed black pepper, salt to taste, this is about 3/4 tablespoon, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, this is room temperature cream cheese, this is a puff pastry sheet, we need 1 egg, thinly sliced onion, a piece of lemon, and 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and the main ingredient is salmon. So I've washed and cut it this size of salmon piece, and some olive oil. Okay, so get a saucepan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, we are first going to sear our salmon fillet. Once the oil is hot, only going to take 2 minutes. Season it with salt, black pepper, flip it to the other side almost immediately, and season it with salt and pepper one more time from the other side. Just sprinkle. And that's it. Once you see the salmon is changing its color, just remove it. And in the meantime, you're going to get your oven preheated for about 400 Fahrenheit. Okay, so as you can see, my salmon is partially cooked here. So in the same pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add my garlic, onion, time to add cream cheese, breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese, also some black pepper and salt. So pretty much everything in this dish goes in the saucepan. Give that a good mix. Let the cream cheese melt. Now add all the spinach. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. As you can see, the spinach is already wilted, and it's only 2 minutes. So I'm gonna remove it in a plate and move on to the next step. Okay, so my oven is preheating and I have everything ready here. So I greased this baking tray and opened up the dough or the pastry sheet. Forgot to do this, so squeeze some lemon on this spinach mixture. It's gonna give us beautiful citrusy fresh flavor. And add the spinach on top of this. For the edges first. Just make sure the second layer is overlapping the first layer, because you don't want this to be breaking apart. And press it with a knife. And the extra portion, just cut it. Okay, now press it here so that it won't open. Get a shape and then fold it. Just one fold, just like this, so that it won't open. Same here, just press it with your finger and then fold it inside. Gonna flip it to the other side. Just like this. And give the nice cuts. So now make sure you are not cutting it inside, just a gentle cut, just to see the design, just like this, just a gentle cuts. This is more for making it look better. Alright, so I have two Salmon Wellington here, and here is the roll-up. This is the roll-up. I just had that from the leftover pastry dough. So, and the last step is do the egg wash, just to get that crispy layer on this pastry sheet. You can also take the croissant dough, but pastry sheet gives that crispy nice layer. Alright, just like so. They will be in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Here you go, after 10 minutes of baking. This is how it looks. Beautiful glaze, as you can see on the top. I'm going to cut it and show you the piece. I have used the croissant dough, but you can use the pastry sheet to get the crispier layer. I like the soft layer, so and look at this beautiful, nice layers. Salmon and spinach layer here. There you go, beautiful and very tasty recipe. This could be your meal. Hope you enjoyed this Salmon Wellington recipe. If you have liked this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.